Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Welcome back. It was a rainy start to the day. We saw sunshine by the afternoon, but check out these rainfall totals. Now, a lot of these areas saw this amount of rain in just a matter of a few hours. We saw around 1.5 inches of rainfall in Forsyth, close to that down in Cochrane as well, and near Perry 1.2 inches. But our real rainfall winner from this morning was Vienna, 2.3 inches of rainfall. Now, this is radar estimated, but it does a pretty good job. So a lot of rainfall in a pretty short period of time. I will note that the drought monitor came out today, and we are part of an abnormally dry area across middle Georgia. So just a little bit of a deficit for the month, but for the year, we're almost 4 inches below where we should be for this time of year. So we got to catch up on our rainfall, and don't worry, that's probably going to be coming as we're heading into next week. But for tonight, not a whole lot going on, drying out across the area. This looking out on the 41 sky view courtesy Georgia United Credit Union in Dublin, where we're still seeing a little bit of a breeze, and that's going to be a factor as we head into tomorrow as well. So just know that it's still going to be a little bit breezy, winds gusting up to around 15 miles per hour, mainly during those afternoon hours. Also, today was probably the warmest day that we're going to see until we head into next week. 80 degrees where we topped out today, 61 where we started out our day. We're going to be dropping into the 40s tonight, so it's definitely going to be a much cooler evening. Not seeing that cloud cover like we were seeing last night. 59 degrees already in Forsyth, 66 in Dublin, and seeing 67 in Warner Robins with 68 down in Abbeville. So some very comfortable conditions right now. That cold air, though, is just to our north. 58 degrees in Atlanta, seeing 46 up in Nashville and 43 already in Memphis. This cold air is going to head our way, but it's not going to be too cold out there for tomorrow. You can see in general across our area, we got very lucky as those storms came through this morning. We just did not have any instability in the area. We didn't even have all of that much moisture pushing into the area, so that hindered a lot of that storm activity. And even though we saw some gusty winds and some heavy rain, that was really about it, especially compared to all those tornadoes that we were confirmed out in parts of Alabama and Mississippi, and now that are heading towards parts of the Northeast, including Washington, D.C. So we actually got out really lucky. We're going to continue to stay clear once again through the rest of the evening. High pressure moves in as we are heading into tomorrow, which means sunshine on the way throughout the day. Highs warming up into the low 70s. It's going to be a little bit on the cooler side. As we move into Saturday, another nice day, but this cold front's going to drop in Saturday into Sunday. That is going to kind of reinforce some of those cooler temperatures for the weekend. For the rest of tonight, though, temperatures will be dropping. 51 degrees by around 5 a.m. You head into tomorrow. By lunchtime, we're only at 63 degrees. It's going to be a much cooler day than it has been. 71 by around 3 p.m. Here's the big change, though. As we're heading into next week, by Monday, we warm up back into the 80s. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, that's when you're going to need the umbrella again because more showers are on the way. Could even see a few strong storms as these push through for much of next week. In just 10 seconds, I'll look at our 7-day forecast.
At Volume Chevrolet, get oil changes for life, plus a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Visit Volume Chevrolet, I-75 exit 187 in Forsyth. That's VolumeChevrolet.com.
And here's your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast, sponsored by Volume Chevrolet. Temperatures will be hanging out in the low and mid 70s as we're moving into the weekend. Clear skies and mostly dry conditions lingering all the way into Monday. But after that warm up back into the 80s on Monday, rain returns Tuesday through Thursday.
For weather updates on the go, download the 41 NBC AccuWeather app and follow 41 NBC on Facebook and Twitter.